कदंबा पठार नव्या शारा खातीर शारी विकास मंत्री फ्रांसीस डिसोजाचो प्रस्ताव आसा, जातूंत राजधानीत जावपी गर्दे वेळार सगळ्यो मुळाव्यो सुविधा मेळच्यो म्हण प्रस्ताव आसा। हाका लागून महापौर पदाचो विस्तार करूया म्हण विचार शार विकास मंत्र्यान मांडला। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केंजल रॉड्रिगीज आनी विलियम रॉड्रिगीज।
Discussion as far as increase of mayor's tenure from 1 year to 3 years, so that the development of the city could take place. Any such issue has come to you, or your proposal, or the government is thinking of increasing it from 1 to 3?
You see, the act says the post is for 1 year.
Yeah.
That is the law at the moment. Now, I do feel that continuity is required. 1 year is a very short period of time. I do feel personally, but for that we have to change the law.
Yes.
So no proposal at the moment is with the government. So there is only one corporation, that is one corporation of City of PNG. Only one corporation. They have not moved any proposal. So why is the question of changing the law?
So if the proposal comes in front of the government can think about it or changing the law?
We can examine the proposal.
Okay.
And then decide.
Even the municipalities, or if municipalities also.
Municipalities keep on changing more than one time a year.
Correct. How much difficult it becomes for carrying out development then?
No, there is a question of continuity. See, what I know today, the next person might not know.
Correct.
Unless all corporators or councillors interact in a very good way. So they have to know everything what is happening in the councils or corporation. So if only the mayor knows, then it is a problem. So the new mayor won't know anything. Again he'll take 1 year to know things. Then again he'll change.
Yes.
My personal opinion that all of Goa is urbanized. We can say Goa is one city. That way, one big city. But the village people want to say that we are villages, although they are urbanized. You see, like Santa Cruz is a village, but it is fully urbanized. Kalangut is a village, fully urbanized. Porur is a village, fully urbanized. So, people have to think about it, no? And decide for themselves.
So if people agree, then only the government can move forward. It is not a government
Otherwise,
decision.
we don't want agitation. We don't want agitation. Agitation is not a good mode in a democracy. All have to come together and do things.
Is there a fear for the government that if we move such proposals, then people might come forward in form of agitation and all?
No, there are always two opinions about everything.
Correct.
We have to accept that.